You are here because you want to learn how to make cool t-shirts, right? If yes, then you are in the right place. T-shirt industry is a multi-billion dollar industry, and in online it is the fastest growing part of this industry. You can easily sell your design t-shirt on different platforms like Merch by Amazon, Teespring, Tmill, Redbubble, and some other print-on-demand t-shirt design companies. You will be able to make money by selling your t-shirts. The key to any t-shirt business is the designs. Welcome to the best-selling t-shirt design masterclass with Adobe Photoshop. In this course, I teach you how to design awesome hot-selling t-shirts. I am Mashuk Sarkar Batista. I am the best-seller t-shirt designer on Merch by Amazon and Redbubble, and working on this industry for past 3 years and still now. And I am the instructor of this course. I already published different type of video editing and design related course, and thousands of students put 5-star reviews. In this course, I show you every steps to create amazing t-shirts. I go from the very basic of Photoshop to those who have never even started this program before, and then continuously learn all the techniques until you become an expert in creating amazing t-shirt design. I take 6 of my best-selling t-shirts and recreate them step by step for you. This way you can follow the steps along with the videos in a very easy to understand manner. All the techniques that you learn here can be applied to create any t-shirt design. In the shortcut techniques section of this course, I share some cool tricks, and using these techniques you will be able to create awesome t-shirts in a very short time. Also, I show you 3 different websites where you get unlimited royalty-free icons to use your infographic or any other projects you have. You also have access to my list of 3 websites where you get thousands of royalty-free professional looking images, and also you will be able to download them with no cost that you can use your infographics or website or any other projects. Not only that, I also share where you get unlimited amazing free fonts to use on your t-shirt. So what are you waiting for? Take this course now and start learning t-shirt designing with Adobe Photoshop. See you inside. In the final step of this t-shirt designing, I just use a brush tool. But before this, from the layer panel, I create a new layer above this background. To do this, I just select this background layer and click on create a new layer icon. And after that, from the left toolbar, I choose brush and I click on this arrow icon, and from this gear icon, I choose TP brushes. After that, I choose this one and set the brush size in 2000 pixel. And I just changed the color. I just set the dark gray, and finally I just hit on OK. Now I click it here and click on this position. Alright, and we are done. Hopefully you learned something new in this t-shirt design section. And using these techniques and using your creativity, you will be able to design much more t-shirts like this. In this video, I show you how to import an image in our canvas and add a sketch effect on it. At first, open your browser. This time I search for Cristiano Ronaldo formal. And then I go to image, and this time I download this one. I just simply click on view image and save it in my desktop. Now I just open this in Photoshop, and from this toolbar I just simply select crop tool and crop the right portion a little bit and set it here, and finally I hit on done. If you satisfied with that, simply click on file, click save as, and save it in desktop in JPG format. I just replaced this cropped image with the previous one. Alright. And now I close this window. And then I just drag this image in my canvas. Now we are going to increase the size of the image by holding shift and dragging the corner of the image. I just make this bigger a little bit and set it in middle. And finally I just hit on done. Next we need to rasterize this picture to apply filter on it. To do this I just right click on this image and select rasterize layer. Now to apply the filter, we are going to top menu bar and click filter, and then I just hit on filter gallery. And from this filter gallery, make sure that your artistic folder is open and then select poster edges. To better viewing angle, to see what we are doing, I just right click on this image and select 33. Now I just set this image in a center. Alright. On the right side here we see three different sliders. First one is edge thickness, second one is edge intensity, and the third one is posterization. By dragging these sliders, we can adjust the filter until we have an image that will look like. Each image is different, so you might want to play around with these sliders until you get the image that looks roughly like this one. After you're happy with this look, then simply press OK. After that, the change will apply to this picture. Hello my dear students, in this video I am going to show you how to turn this picture into a pure black and white sketch using threshold filter. To do this, at first we need to duplicate this layer. I just right click on this and select duplicate layer. I just type this name as a layer 2 and hit OK. After that, go to image and under adjustment, here you see an option which is called threshold. Just click on this. From this you can adjust the bottom slider from the left or to the right until you have the image approximately like the one on the screen. And after that, hit on OK. Our background is already black. This time I remove this white portion from this coat. To do this, I just click on eraser tool and set my brush in 200 pixels. And I just hide the original layer from this layer panel, and I just remove this white portion from this image. When your picture looks like on in the video, you can go ahead and start the next lesson. Hello my dear students, in this video I am going to show you how to add color and paint over a fluid subject. From the layout panel, I just make the original layer visible by clicking on this eye icon. After that, I move it to the top. And then from toolbar section, I choose move tool and I move it down because I want to use this skin color as a reference. And now I create a new layer. To create a new layer, from the layer panel, click on this new layer icon. This will be the layer on which we will paint the color. From the left toolbar, click on this brush, and from upper toolbar, click on this arrow icon and choose this hard brush. And I set this brush size in 100 pixel. Alright. Now I click on this color icon, and from the color picker I choose this skin color. Alright, now I hit on OK. Now I brush the color over this face. To get better view, I just zoom this canvas. To do this, simply press Ctrl+ to zoom in. Alright, to zoom out this canvas, simply press Ctrl and minus to zoom out. Alright, now we need to set the layer blending mode from normal to multiply. This will make our paint layer only cover the white region from the layer below it. Now I add white color in teeth and eyes of the subject. To do this, I just click on brush tool again, and this time I change the size and set it in 50 pixel, and after that I set color white and I hit on OK. Now I zoom this canvas by simply pressing Ctrl+. And I just add white color in both eyes and also teeth. I zoom out again. Now I add shading on this object. To do this, from this color picker, I simply choose this skin color and make this darker a little bit, and change the brush size from 50 to 100, and after that I just add little shading on this face. Pretty cool. In our next lecture, we will finish this t-shirt design. In this section, I show you how to create this t-shirt design. At first, we add image and add artistic cutout effect in our image. Then we add some text and customize them. And finally, I add brush on this. Hopefully, you learned something new in this t-shirt design section. And using these techniques and use your creativity, you will able to design much more t-shirts like this. So without any further delay, let's start it. At first, we create a blank document. To do this, click on File, choose New, and I set width 4500 pixel and set height 5400 pixel and choose resolution 300 and color mode I choose RGB. And set my background color black. Now I hit on create. Our blank document is created. In our next lecture, I import a new image in this blank document and add artistic cutout effect on it. Now we add text in this blank canvas. To do this, from the left panel, click on this text icon and click on this blank canvas for one time. And from this color icon, I just change my color from black to white. And after that, I set my text size in 72 and now I type work hard. To change this font, select everything and from this drop down menu, here you see all of our installed font. This time I search for Sansita font. I just select this. To increase the size of this font, from the upper toolbar, click on this little text icon and drag it to the right to make this bigger. Once you're satisfied with that, click on the stick icon. To move the position of this text, click on this move icon from the left toolbar, and after that, I just simply set it in middle. Here we see lots of space in between these two words. To minimize this spacing, click on this character icon from the right panel. I just set this value in 182 pixels and I just make this text a little bit bigger. Alright, and again I choose move tool and move it down. Now I add another line of text. To do this, I just simply from the left toolbar click on this text icon and this time I type in silence. To change the font style and font size, I just select this text and from this text icon I set my text size in 150 pixels and I set it in middle. Now I change this text style. To do this, I just click on this text icon and select on this text. After select everything from the drop down menu, I just simply choose copper plate bold font. And now I just set this text in this position. In this video, I show you how to create a text that follows a specific path. To do this, from the left panel, click on this pen tool and in canvas in the left side, click on this for one time and drag your cursor to the right and click here and hold it down like this. Once you line similar like this, you just release your mouse. And after that, to add text that follows this path, to add this type of text, click on this text icon and make sure that you select alignment in middle. Then move your cursor in the path and you will notice that it will change the riff like that. This time I type let your. Look, this text is just follow this line. Once you're satisfied with that, click on the stick icon and I navigate to the move tool and I set it in middle. To change this text style, I just simply click on this text icon and select everything of this text block and from the drop down menu I search for Sansita. And now I click on this and from the character icon I just increase the value of horizontal scale. Once you're satisfied with that, hit on this commit icon. Hello my dear students, in this video I am going to show you how to add custom shape and add a text on it. To do this, from the left toolbar, click and hold on this shape tool and choose custom shape tool and click on this arrow icon, and now I click on this gear icon and choose all, and now I hit on OK. Now on this drop down menu we see bunch of different shapes which are available in Photoshop, and for this time I choose this banner shape. After that, click and hold on the canvas to draw an outline of the banner shape. Once you're happy with your size, just release your mouse and I just click on this fill color and set this color in white. Now I navigate to the move tool and set this banner shape on this position. To add text on this banner, from the left panel, click on this text icon and press Shift from your keyboard and click on this banner. And now I type success. Look at this. We can't see everything on this text because our banner color and text color both are in white. To change this text color, select your text and I change this color from white to black. Now I click the move tool and set it in middle, and again I just choose this text icon from the left toolbar, and after selecting this text I click on this character icon and decrease the size of this text. Now clicking on this double T icon, I make my all text in capital. Alright, now I move this text in center of the banner. This time I also change this font style of the success word. To do this, from the character panel, I click on this arrow icon and here you see bunch of different font. And this time I select this font, Aromatics Display. Alright, now I add another shape. To do this, from the left toolbar, I just choose Custom Shape tool, and from this drop down menu, I just choose this Easter shape. And after that, by holding Shift, I just draw a shape of the star. Now I navigate to the move tool and set this star in my preferred position. If you want to change this star color, then from the layer panel, right click on the shape and select blending option. And select color overlay. And now select on this color box. Using this color picker, you can change your shape color of the star. This time I select black and hit on OK. This time I add a similar star on the right portion of this banner. To do this, from the layer panel, I just create a duplicate layer of this star shape. I just right click on this layer and select duplicate layer, and now I hit on OK. Now I press Ctrl Shift. If you are using Mac, then press Command Shift and click on this star shape and drag it to the right, and I set it here. That's it. Very easy, right? See you in the next lecture. Hello my dear students, in this video I am going to show you how to import images from Google and resize them and reposition them in Photoshop. At first, open your browser, and now I am in google.com, and now I search for silhouette. Now I click on image tab, and this time I download this file image. I just save it in my desktop. And after that, I just open this image with Photoshop. And now I change this black color and set it in white. To do this, I just click on this color and change my color from black to white. And now I just set it in white. To save this image, I just press Ctrl S to save it. Or you just click on File or click Save or Save As and type your preferred name and choose your preferred location and hit on Save. Now I just close it. And from the desktop, I just drag it in canvas. By holding Shift, I just resize it. And set it here. And now I hit on Done. From the layer panel, I just right click on this and select duplicate layer. And finally, I just hit on OK. After that, from the left toolbar, I just navigate to the Move tool and press Ctrl Shift, or if you are using Mac, then press Command Shift and drag this fire icon from left to right. Alright, pretty cool. In our next lecture, we will give the finishing touch of this t-shirt design. Thank you so much for watching. Hello my dear students, in this video I am going to show you how to import images from Google and resize them and reposition them in Photoshop. At first, open your browser, and now I am in google.com, and now I search for silhouette. Now I click on Image tab, and this time I download this file image. I just save it in my desktop. And after that, I just open this image with Photoshop. And now I change this black color and set it in white. To do this, I just click on this color and change my color from black to white. And now I just set it in white. To save this image, I just press Ctrl S to save it. Or you just click on File or click Save or Save As and type your preferred name and choose your preferred location and hit on Save. Now I just close it. And from the desktop, I just drag it in canvas. By holding Shift, I just resize it. And set it here. And now I hit on Done. From the layer panel, I just right click on this and select duplicate layer. And finally, I just hit on OK. After that, from the left toolbar, I just navigate to the Move tool and press Ctrl Shift, or if you are using Mac, then press Command Shift and drag this fire icon from left to right. Alright, pretty cool. In our next lecture, we will give the finishing touch of this t-shirt design. Thank you so much for watching. In this lecture, I will give the finishing touch of this design and also learn how to export this. This time I add a text under this banner shape. To do this, from the left panel, I just click on this text icon and choose my font, Impact Regular. And I just select my size in 72 pixel and click on this canvas, and now I type Be Your Noise. Now I navigate to the Move tool and set it in middle. But here we see a long space in this between two lines. To fix this, click on this character icon and I set it in auto. And after that, I click on this text icon again and select this text block and increase the size of this text. Alright, this is the final design of our t-shirt. Now we are happy with this design. It is time to export and start selling this design. First we need to remove the black background. To do this, on the right side, on the bottom, we see our background layer. I just uncheck this eye icon. This will hide the background and left only our design with the transparent background. To export this, simply click on File, click Save As, and Save As type I choose PNG and I destination folder set desktop, and as a file name I just type sample1 design and hit on save. Then from PNG option select smallest and none and click on OK. And here it is. Your design is now ready to be uploaded and sold. Thank you so much for watching. In this lecture, I will give the finishing touch of this design and also learn how to export this. This time I add a text under this banner shape. To do this, from the left panel, I just click on this text icon and choose my font Impact Regular. And I just select my size in 72 pixel and click on this canvas, and now I type Be Your Noise. Now I navigate to the Move tool and set it in middle. But here we see a long space in this between two lines. To fix this, click on this character icon and I set it in auto. And after that, I click on this text icon again and select this text block and increase the size of this text. Alright, this is the final design of our t-shirt. Now we are happy with this design. It is time to export and start selling this design. First we need to remove the black background. To do this, on the right side, on the bottom, we see our background layer. I just uncheck this eye icon. This will hide the background and left only our design with the transparent background. To export this, simply click on File, click Save As, and Save As type I choose PNG and I destination folder set desktop, and as a file name I just type sample1 design and hit on save. Then from PNG option select smallest and none and click on OK. And here it is. Your design is now ready to be uploaded and sold. Thank you so much for watching. In desktop, I already added a sample cat image. Now I drag this in canvas. By holding shift, I just zoom this image a little bit and set it in middle. After that, I just hit on OK. Now I add cutout effect in this image. To do this, from the layer panel, I just right click on this image layer and select rasterize layer. After that, I click filter and choose image gallery. To see the full image on this screen, simply right click on this and choose 33. Here it is. Now make sure that your artistic folder is open. Then choose cutout. And here you see 3 different sliders. By changing value of these 3 sliders, you can make your cutout effect more simple or complex. Now I am satisfied with this result. For this, I just hit on OK. Alright, in our next lecture, we add different type of text in this image. Before adding text on this image, I just remove my black background from this cat image. To do this, click and hold on this quick selection tool and select Magic Wand tool. And after that, click on this black canvas and press delete. Here you see only our cat image is left on this. Alright. Now I press Ctrl D to deselect this selection. To adding text, from the left toolbar, I just select this text icon and then I click on this canvas, set my size in 72 pixels and change my color from black to white. Now I type cats are my favorite people. I just change alignment in left. Now I type cats are my. Now I hit on OK and add another text layer and type favorite and hit OK again and create another text layer and type people. Now I change these cats are my this text size and font. To do this, I just select this layer. I just make this Y capital and after that I select everything and increase the size of this text. After that, from this drop down menu, I choose my font. This time I choose Impacted 2.0 font and set it in this position. And now I just change this text color. To do this, select this text block and click on this color icon. And from this color picker, I just choose this color and make this a little bit whiter. And now I hit on OK. I just choose this middle word and click again on this color picker icon. And this time I make this middle word a little bit darker. Alright, now I hit on OK. Now from the layer panel, I just choose this favorite text. And after selecting this word from the drop down menu, I just choose this Mistral style and make this word a little bit bigger. And change my color from white to yellow. And after that, I set it just in this position and I set my first text layer right here. And finally, I just choose this people text layer and set this text in 110 pixels. And after that, from the text style, I choose Impacted 2.0 font. And I set it here. And from the color picker, I just set this font color like the first one. Alright, now I add a text block in this place. To do this, I just open my browser and search for cat. Now from the Wikipedia, I just copy this first line, and in Photoshop I choose the text icon, and in text block I just paste it, and I just select everything and change my size in 24 pixel. Now I just rotate it and choose move tool and set it in this position. And after that I just change my font style and change my font color also. From the color picker I just choose the black gray. Alright, I just change the layer position and set it here. In our next lecture, I will give a finishing touch of this t-shirt design. Thank you so much for watching.